What's up, you guys? Got myself my first ever Pokemon booster box. Just happens to be Battle Styles. Never opened one up before, so I'm excited to see what I can pull. I did get my sleeves this time. Got 100 cards, so won't mess that up. But yeah, these are a lot heavier than what they appear to be. Well, here we go. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It'll help me out. I post Pokemon openings 1 to 2 times a week. There it is. Awesome. Okay. So I guess I'll just do the right side first. Leave that right there. Wow. It's a lot of packs. All right. Here we go. First pack, Battle Styles. My first booster box. I'm just gonna go through it. Sandit, Murkrow, Heatmore, Slowbro, Water Energy, Mustard, and it was the green, so that means, oh, I could barely tell. The Slowbro was the non-holo. I could barely tell that this was a reverse holo. All right. So nothing in the first pack. Man, this bulk is gonna add up quick. One down, 35 to go. Reverse holo, non-holo rare. All right, I'll start putting them in there. Third pack down. Reverse holo rare. And rare card, Victory Bell. Okay. 3 packs down. No hits, no holos. There we go. Mimikyu for the first hit. Okay. Save this. One down. Fourth pack. No, 5th pack. Ooh. Rainbow rare. And Bolton reverse holo rare. Nice. Secret Rainbow. Alright. 2 hits. So what this is the 6 pack. Reverse holo rare is Slowbro. And the rare is this guy. 7. Reverse holo, Rumpig, and Bolton for the rare. 8 packs. Ooh, Steelix reverse holo rare. I don't have this one. Very nice. And Licky Licky for the non-holo. 9. Sandlet, reverse holo. Jellicent for the non-holo. Man, this is already starting to add up. All right, 10th pack. Escape Rope for the reverse holo. Vivian for the non-holo rare. $11. Oh boy. Reverse holo rare. So what's that? And the holo Octillery. First holo. Okay, let's leave that. I believe the 12th pack. Emperor for the reverse holo. Marowak for the non-holo rare. $13. So I think we're 1/3 through already. Spoink, reverse holo. Ooh. Here we go. Corviknight VMAX. That's very nice. Very well centered. I don't know if I have this one though. So many Corviknight cards throughout the sets. But yeah, that's another hit. What, 14th pack? Nice. Stone Joiner, reverse holo rare. Oh, another hit. Neptune V. Very off center. Look at this left down here. Left to right. These over here. So 15 now. I'm gonna definitely lose track. Hollow is camping gear. Oh, that is a hollow. Crobat. Nice. So second hollow so far. 16, I believe. Oh, Victory Bell, reverse hollow rare. Galarian Slowbro, non-hollow. $17. Galarian Slowpoke, reverse hollow. Sandala's non-hollow rare. And halfway through at 18. Salandit, reverse. And Stone Droner, non-hollow rare. Gotta move this mess out the way. But so far, halfway, we have, let's see, 2 hollows, 2 Vs, a VMAX, well, technically 2 VMAXs, just one is a secret rainbow rare. So I guess I'll put these in the background. For now, let's grab the rest of the box. Ooh. Man, these are heavy. All right, first pack of the other half of the box. Houndour, Marowak, non-hollow. Okay. Second pack on the left side. I guess we could do left versus right. Kind of like a Twix battle. Ooh, Centiskorch, reverse hollow. Can barely tell with this lighting. Jellicent, non-hollow. All right. Third pack. Bellsprout, reverse hollow. Lurantis, non-hollow rare. Fourth pack on the left. Krookodor, reverse hollow, and ooh, Houndoom. I like Houndoom, rare. Okay, let me sleeve that. Houndoom is one of my favorite dark Pokemon. Put it there. All right, I believe 5th pack on the left side. The reverse hollow rare. I'm sorry, reverse hollow. Mineshadow for the non-hollow rare. Sixth pack. Ooh, Edgeslash, reverse hollow rare. And, ooh, full art, Tyranitar V. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. I love me Tyranitar. Very nice. Awesome. Sweet. First hit on the left side so far. All right. Hold on. 7th pack on the left side. Timber for the reverse. Tyranitar V, single strike. That's funny. I mean, I did say that I liked Tyranitar, but that's funny. You get to go right next to your full art version. That's sick. All right, I think that was the 7th pack. So this will be the 8th. Sizzlipede for the reverse hollow. Oh, that is a hollow. Emboar. Wow, forward tree crossed. That's rough. All right, that's all. It's a hollow. What is this, the 8th one probably? Tool Jammer for the reverse hollow. Claydon, non-hollow rare. Nine. Means we got 9 left. And we're done with this speed run. Ooh, Electivire, reverse hollow rare. Sick. Primate. Single strike. non-hollow rare. Cool. I feel like I'm gonna get this set. It's filled up pretty quick. What is there, 163 cards? Might have the master set soon. Well, except for all the secret rares and full arts. I'll have to buy a couple more booster boxes. Weeping Bell. I think we have all 3 of the reverse hollows just from this Senta Scorch non-hollow from this box, which is awesome. That's hard to do, especially for the master set, which I would love to have of this set. Oh man, there we go. Look at tongue. The Blade, reverse hollow. Ah, licky licky. For the non-hollow rare. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. I feel like I'm going through this quick, which I'm happy about. I don't have that much space left in my camera, memory-wise. Swoop up. Reverse hollow. Ooh. Single strike Urshifu V. I like this card a lot. Yeah, definitely gonna use this guy in a deck. Awesome. All right, what we got? 5 left, well, 4 after this one. Reverse hollow. Ooh. Tapu Blue. Bulu. Tapu Bulu. I don't have this card. I do now. Number 16. Wow. 4 left. All right. These 2 guys are hilarious. Mienshao, reverse hollow rare. Correction, Mienshao, non-hollow rare. Just getting a lot of reverse hollow rares. 3 left. Come on. Electabuzz, reverse hollow, Bolton for the 3rd time, non-hollow rare. All right, last 2 packs. Come on, man. Pull something good. All right, Romantis, Mankey, Horsey. Oh, there's something underneath there. Phalanx for the reverse. Ha! Big boy. I pulled you already. But this is awesome. This is just the normal Urshifu VMAX single strike. Pretty awesome card, not gonna lie. For the game, for playing it. And last pack magic on the speed run. Let's do this last one right, since it's the last one. Energy, Tool Jammer, Level Ball, Pignet, Lickitung, Houndour, Silicobra, Flipbug, Esper, Murkrow for the reverse holo, and the last card is a holo. All right, recap time. All right, so this is the full recap of reverse holos, and hit cards. So we got this many reverse holo rares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 reverse holo rares. And these are the holos. We got 6 holos. Then these were the hits. We got, I think, 4 Vs. Yep, 4V. And then we got 1 full art. I don't know if that's the alternative art or not. I'm not sure. It could be. We got 1 full art. And we got 2 VMAXs. And then we got 1 rainbow rare, which is a secret because it's a 165 out of 163. So I believe that's 8 hits, meaning anything that's not a holo, it's better than a holo. Got 8 out of this box. And I think that's pretty good. I think the standard is 6. So not bad, not great, but pretty good for my first box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next episode.